Garlic milk is the home remedy that'll give you relief from sciatica and back pain. Back pain is the leading cause of disability worldwide, and 1 in 10 people suffer from some kind of back problem. Therefore, people spend billions of dollars to soothe the pain and discomfort in the back but often get no positive outcome. Dr. Stuart McGill, a professor of spine biomechanics at the University of Waterloo, says, "So many treatments show up as ineffective is that they are used in an indiscriminate one-size-fits-all way, rarely targeted on the underlying problem." Sciatica pain is a common issue, characterized by intense pain, numbness, and tingling all along the sciatic nerve, and occurs due to a herniated disc, bone spur on the spine or spinal stenosis. It usually affects one side of the body only. However, there are effective natural remedies that can help you soothe the symptoms of back pain, and one of them is a real natural miracle: garlic milk. Garlic is the most powerful natural antibiotic that boosts the immune system, improves heart health, fights inflammation, lowers the risk of cancer, and cures infections. In a combination with milk, which is a rich source of protein, calcium, and vitamin B12, it makes up an excellent back pain cure. This recipe is part from the popular Ayurveda, and its anti-inflammatory properties soothe sciatica and back pain. Here is how to prepare it. Garlic milk recipe. Ingredients: 4 cloves of garlic, crushed. 250 milliliters of milk. Honey, to taste. Instructions. In a saucepan, pour the milk and add the crushed garlic cloves. Over low heat, bring the mixture to boil, stirring constantly. Then, take it off the heat, leave it to cool, and add honey. Drink it right away, once daily. Despite soothing back pain, this powerful drink supports overall health in numerous ways. Here are some of its health benefits. It helps sleep and treats insomnia. It boosts blood circulation. Supports heart health. Treats arthritis symptoms. Improves the function of the liver and prevents jaundice. It detoxifies the body. Helps digestion. It accelerates the recovery of the body. Boosts the immune system. It fights impotence. It relieves coughs and chest congestion. Therefore, start consuming it on a daily basis, and reap the countless health benefits of garlic milk.